We work with a lot of different indigenous groups from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So in Mindanao, for example, one of our partners are the Yakan of Basilan. We also work with the Tausug of Sulu, the Tiboli of South Cotabato. So they're very diverse, especially in Mindanao, there are so many different indigenous groups. We work with them on weaves and embroidery. In Visayas, we also work with the Panay Bukidnon women. So they do embroidery and they're inspired by nature. Of course, in Cebu, there's Hablon de Argao, and there's also Hablon in Iloilo. And in Luzon, we work mostly with Cordilleran indigenous groups. So that's Kalinga, Gadang, and weaves also from Sagada and Baguio we have sometimes used. So we work with groups from all over the Philippines.